Surfshark Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we're diving into the Surfshark Affiliate Program, sharing my personal experience with it, and breaking down why it could be a great opportunity for you to earn some passive income. If you're interested in signing up or learning more, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Surfshark has quickly become one of the top names in the VPN space, known for its affordable pricing, reliable performance, and robust security features. And the Surfshark Affiliate Program lets you earn commissions by promoting their services. First off, the commission structure of the Surfshark Affiliate Program is incredibly appealing. They offer up to $83 per sale, which is one of the highest payouts in the VPN market. Additionally, they provide a 30-day cookie window, meaning you have plenty of time to convert leads even if they don't sign up immediately. This longer window helps increase your chances of earning commissions from visitors who might take a bit longer to make a purchase. One of the standout features of the Surfshark Affiliate Program is that they offer recurring commissions on their long-term plans, so you're earning every time a customer renews their subscription. This is fantastic because it creates a steady stream of income over time rather than just a one-time payment. It's a great incentive for affiliates looking to build a consistent revenue source. The program is designed with ease of use in mind. Surfshark offers a range of promotional tools, including banners, landing pages, and email templates. These resources are designed to make it as easy as possible to promote the service and increase conversions. Plus, with global appeal, Surfshark is popular across a variety of demographics, especially those interested in online privacy, security, and unrestricted internet access. In summary, the Surfshark Affiliate Program offers excellent commission rates, a strong reputation, and recurring earnings, making it a great choice for anyone interested in promoting a high-quality VPN service. With the resources provided and the 30-day cookie window, it's a program that makes it easier for affiliates to succeed. If you're ready to start earning, make sure to check out the links in the description below.